Hey, this is Sudhi Sheshachala from the Millet Planet. Today we are in North Carolina for a Dr. Khader session. It's going to be a packed house here. Before that, I wanted to just speak to Mr. Prabhunandan from North Carolina. He has been adopting the Dr. Khader lifestyle for a few years now, and he sees tremendous changes in his lifestyle. Over to you. Okay.
Hello, Nin. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. My name is Prabhunandan, and I've been having health issues for few years now, like 2 3 years. I've been my sleeping has been disturbed. I don't have any diseases, but it looks like the insulin resistance is increasing in my body, and because of which I'm not able to sleep properly, and I can't even fall asleep. And I consulted so many doctors, so they suggested so many things like CPAP machine. They suggested me sleeping pills and all that. I did not. Nothing worked. I tried different diets, like just going on a salad diet in the nights, but nothing worked because I would feel hungry, and then again I would wake up and eat, which was not helping me at all. And in the mornings, when I eat my breakfast, chapati, idli, rice, or whatever, I used to feel very tired and sleepy, having brain fog, and then I was not able to function properly during the daytime. But when I started with Dr. Khader sir's millet diet, I started taking ambali, and then within a week, all my sleep problems magically vanished, and my daytime sleep problems also were resolved. This was happening for the last 30 40 years since I was studying, and I never could understand what's going on. And nobody could tell me. I tried vitamins, I tried so many diets, but nothing worked. Finally, I have come to my to the solution, which is Dr. Khader's millets. And now I am so happy. I don't take anything other than millet ambali every day, morning once and in the night once, and in between I keep eating fruits, which is keeping my energy levels very high. And I am so happy to share this with all of you, and I thank Dr. Khader sir immensely. He is my God. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm actually also following Dr. Khader's regimen for insulin resistance and diabetes. Even though I don't have, I'm following that, and it is helping me immensely. 2 days one millet, and next 2 days another millet. I keep rotating all the 5 Siridhanya millets, making them in the form of ambali and consuming it with curries. Yeah.